Network scanning using HPing3. HPing3 is a network tool able to send custom TCP/IP packets and to display target replies like ping program does with ICMP replies. HPing3 handle fragmentation, arbitrary packets body and size, and can be used in order to transfer files encapsulated under supported protocol. Using HPing3, we are able to perform like test firewall rules, advanced port scanning, test net performance using different protocols, packet size, type of service and fragmentation, path empty discovery, transfer files between even really fascist firewall rules, trace route like under different protocols. Firewalk like uses remote OS fingerprinting and TCP/IP stack auditing. Here I have a multiple operating system in VMware Workstation environment. You can see I have Kali Linux operating system, Windows Server 2016, Windows 10 and Metasploitable machine. Now let me check IP address of Metasploitable machine using ifconfig command. IP address of Metasploitable is 192.168.159.149. I've already mentioned in VM name. Same Windows 10 has IP address .130. You can check IP address by right-clicking on this small computer icon, open Network and Sharing Center, click on Ethernet 0 and click on Details. You can see IP address associated with Windows 10 is 192.168.159.130. Same .166 associated with Windows Server 2016 operating system. Right-clicking on this computer icon, you can see .166 is associated with Windows Server 2016. Kali Linux has 202. Now let me log into the Kali Linux operating system and ping to the target machine, and my target device is Windows Server 2016. So Windows Server 2016 has IP address 166. I can get reply from the Windows Server 2016. Now let me ping to the Windows 10. Windows 10 has IP address .130. And now let me ping to the Metasploitable machine, and I can get the reply from Metasploitable. Now I didn't get any reply from 130, and 130 is associated with Windows 10 operating system. Now let me go to the firewall setting to check setting of incoming connection. Click on Turn Window Firewall on or off. You can see I've selected Block all incoming connection, including those in the list of allowed apps. Now click on OK. Now let me ping to the 130 IP address, and now I can able to receive ICMP echo request from 130. Now let me configure firewall. To block ICMP echo request, go to the advanced setting. Click on Inbound Rules. Click on New Rules. Select Custom. Click on Next. Click on Next. Select ICMP version 4. Click on Next. From any IP address, connection will be blocked for ICMP packet. Finish. Close it. Now ping to the 130 IP address again. Now you can see I am not able to get a reply from the target machine. So, if I disable ICMP underscore demo rule, I am able to get reply from 130 IP address. Sometimes network security practitioner or network security professional or system administrator block the ICMP connection so attacker cannot get status of the target device. hping3 command send TCP request to the 192.168.159.130 for ICMP timestamp status. It will send 2 packets to check ICMP timestamp status for the target device. You can see 2 packet transmitted but 0 packet received and 100% packet lost. Now let me check for 149. It's a metasploitable IP address and you can see I am able to receive timestamp information for the target machine. Now let me check for Windows Server 2016 and you can see I am not able to get any ICMP timestamp reply from the target device. So, sometimes organization block ICMP packet in firewall and so attacker cannot get status of host that it is live or not. Organization block ICMP echo request but mostly forget to block ICMP timestamp. So attacker can get benefit of it using this command. Now, use hping3 -s 192.168.159.149 p 80 C2. If you are getting, now let me use capital P and need to capital S. So give enter. If you are getting flag SA, means we are receiving SYN acknowledgement. But if we are getting RA, let me check for 53. Still I am getting reply. Let me check for 130. 2 packet transmitted but 0 packet received. AT is responding. We are getting SYN request, acknowledgement, so use capital S, small p. So if we are receiving RA, means reset request received from the target. If we are getting reply from the device, means target is present but port is not present because you received a RSA flag. Let me check for 443. We are receiving RA, means port is not present on target device. So now let me use another command for 192.168.159.149 -p ++ 78. This command will check open port of target machine. +7 ++ 78 means it will check port 78 and above 78 till next 5 ports of 78 like 78, 79, 80, 81 and 82. So you can see I'm getting reply RA for 78. Same for 79. But for 80 I'm getting response. And for 81 and 82, same reset request received. So now you can see 5 packet transmitted, 5 packet received, means target device is present and respond with different TCP flag. Now let me use another command, hping3 159.x -. Use your Ethernet card name. Open another terminal and you can check Ethernet connection name is TH0. So I have defined TH0 here. So it will randomly check live devices for network 192.168.159. You can see 202 is live. We are getting reply from 202. It will take few seconds or few minutes. So let me run another command on another terminal. Use hping3 192.168 or 159.149 ICMP ADDR2. It will give you netmask information about target if there is already allowed to respond. For this command, I am not able to get information for the target because command is not found hping3. So you can see 2 packets transmitted but 0 packets received because there is no allow to give netmask information in operating system. For 166, still I am not able to get respond for netmask information. Still not able to. Now, let me check for port 21. I am getting reply for FTP ports. Same. Let me check for TCP-based scanning 52, 56 port, (192, 168, 159.166). You can see I am able to get a response for DNS port for 53. 53 is a DNS port number. Not responding port like 51, 52, 54, 55 and 56. Let me check for 149 also. I am getting reply for port number 53. Now, let me send FIN packet, push packet and urgent packet to the 149. You can see I am getting reset request from the target device. Now, let me use another command 192.168.159.149. Use -Q to check sequence number for port number 139. You can see I am able to receive sequence number for the target machine. So it can help to spoof someone in the network. Now use hping3 192.168.159.166 192.168.159.149 for port number 22. So using this command, we can send flood of 22 ports to the 192.168.159.166 using this source address. Means using this command, we can spoof to this machine 192.168.159.149. Means this command run from Kali Linux operating system and it has 202 IP address. But using this command, we can run flood to this device using this spoof address. Means Kali Linux IP address will be hide and this machine will be a zombie. So I'm not running this command right now because it will flood to the target device and it can down my system or it can hang to my system. But let me run a Gwanter. You can see hping in floodboard and no replies will be shown because there is already a firewall is configured